Our muscular system makes up around about a fifth of our total body weight. And maintaining good muscles not only has an impact on how we look, it can also affect how we feel and how well our body performs. There are many things that can impact our muscular health, including exercise, diet, and general health. There are, of course, some supplements that can be useful to help maintain muscular health too. So today I want to have a look at some of the most valuable supplements for your muscular health. As always, if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notifications when we release more. So when thinking about muscular health, most of us will generally think about skeletal muscles, the ones on the outside. And skeletal muscles are essential for supporting our body structure. They help to allow us to move and regulate our body temperature. And while these muscles do make up a large proportion of the total muscles in our body, we also have smooth muscles internally. They line our airways, our digestive system, and our blood vessels. These internal muscles help to push things around inside of us, and they're not under voluntary control. Now, together, our muscles do account for most of our energy use, and they require a large amount of nutrients. So there are a lot of things that we can and should be doing to protect our muscular system, including eating a nutritious diet and taking regular exercise. Supplements can be useful if your diet is not meeting your nutritional needs, or if your nutritional needs are increased, say after an injury. So the supplements I'm going to look at will support all types of muscle: skeletal muscle, the smooth muscle, and even cardiac muscle, the heart. But I'll be focusing primarily on skeletal muscle, but I will look at supporting cardiac health and heart health in a later video. So one of the most essential nutrients for our muscles is protein. Now, most people don't always recognise how much protein they need. So if you're relatively sedentary, you need around 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. But you can require as much as 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight if you exercise heavily and are trying to build skeletal muscle. So typical protein sources include meat, fish and dairy, nuts and seeds, beans, lentils and legumes, and even grains supply some protein. If you find that you're struggling to get enough protein through diet alone, then protein shakes can be a handy way of increasing your protein intake. Most protein shakes are delicious and convenient. So for instance, our Lily Loaf pea protein is available in 2 delicious flavours. It's naturally low in fat and low in sugar, and provides over 16 grams of protein per serving. It is also a source of the minerals calcium, phosphorus, potassium and magnesium, and these minerals are also essential for muscular health. So these minerals all contribute towards maintaining normal muscle tone and normal muscle strength. They also help to support normal muscle function and help to repair and rebuild muscle tissue. Low levels of these minerals, in particular low levels of magnesium, can result in muscle cramps. Supplementing with calcium, phosphorus and magnesium can be useful if you've experienced muscular damage or if you've been exercising more heavily than usual. It's worth noting that smoking and alcohol can reduce your body's levels of these minerals, as can some medications such as antacids. And in these situations, supplementation should be considered. Now, a quick note on potassium. So potassium can be toxic if taken in large amounts. Supplements such as multivitamins and minerals will often contain a small amount of potassium. I would suggest that if you want to increase your potassium, you should do it through your diet. Bananas and nuts are both really good sources of potassium. Water-soluble vitamin C supplements can also be really useful for muscle health too. So low intakes can result in muscle weakness. Vitamin C can help to prevent DOMS, delayed onset muscle soreness, which occurs after intense exercise. Vitamin C is necessary to produce carnitine, an amino acid that's essential for muscle health. And vitamin C also helps the body to produce collagen, a structural protein that's found in joints, tendons and ligaments. Because vitamin C is water soluble, it cannot be stored by the body. So supplements, particularly timed release supplements such as Lily Loaf vitamin C, can be handy to ensure your body is getting a steady, constant supply of vitamin C throughout the day. Another vitamin to consider is vitamin D. Now, vitamin D plays a role in many bodily functions, including supporting immunity, mood, but also bone and muscle health. Low intakes of vitamin D can result in muscle spasms and low muscle strength. Vitamin D supplements are worth considering for many people. We get most of our vitamin D when skin is exposed to sunlight. So if you work indoors or cover up in the sun, you are at greater risk of low levels. You're also at greater risk of low vitamin D levels if you're over the age of 65. Vitamin D supplements are generally considered safe. Our Lily Loaf vitamin D provides a high-strength vitamin D that's also suitable for vegetarians and vegans. Now, zinc. Zinc is a micromineral, but it's involved in over 300 bodily functions. Zinc is necessary for muscular health too. So zinc is essential for normal cell division and helps to protect cells from oxidative stress, making it a useful supplement to help repair muscles after an injury or after intense exercise. Zinc also helps to regulate blood testosterone levels. Testosterone is produced by all genders, and along with being a major sex hormone, it also supports muscle building. This is one of the reasons why zinc is a popular supplement with those looking to build muscle mass, such as bodybuilders. Our Nature's Sunshine Zinc is in the zinc gluconate form, meaning it's a generally well-tolerated and well-digested form. Each tablet provides 15 milligrams of zinc, which is over the minimum daily amount, but well below any upper safe limits. So these nutrients can all help to support the health of both our skeletal muscles and our internal smooth muscles. If you have muscular issues, it is always wise to talk to a healthcare professional. However, there are a few things to consider to help manage muscular issues. Regular exercise is essential for maintaining all types of muscle. It's essential that you do warm up and stretch your skeletal muscles before exercising and cool down afterwards. This can help to prevent causing any damage. And it's also important that you schedule rest days to allow your muscles to repair and recover. So hydration is vital for our muscular system. Water makes up a large proportion of muscles, and dehydration can cause muscle fatigue and muscle cramps. Water is also essential for delivering vital nutrients into the muscles. If you experience night cramps, then it's thought that the quinine within tonic water can help to relieve this. And tonic water does count towards your overall total hydration, as long as you don't add gin to it. Deep tissue massage can be really beneficial for relieving muscular tension and muscular tightness. I would suggest finding a qualified practitioner who can help you to reduce specific issues. Essential oils may be employed during deep tissue massage, and essential oils can also be used at home, particularly during bathing. So essential oils that are commonly used to help support muscles include warming black pepper, cooling peppermint, relaxing lavender, and soothing chamomile. Adding a handful of Epsom salt to your bath can also help to elevate this relaxing experience even more. Epsom salts are a source of various minerals, including magnesium, which we looked at earlier. Now, magnesium is transdermal, meaning it can be absorbed directly into the muscles through the skin. So Epsom salts are a great addition to your bathing if you experience cramps or muscle tightness. If you have any specific concerns regarding your muscular system, whether that's your skeletal muscles or the internal smooth muscles, you should talk to your healthcare professional in the first instance. And as always, if you do take any medication or have any pre-existing ailments, then talk to your healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimes. If you'd like more information, check out the description under this video. I'll put links to all of the supplements mentioned today and also links to our blogs for further reading. As always, if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notifications when we release more.